Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to check Mini Cooper oil level easy guide. Park on level ground, run the engine to operating temperature, then turn it off and wait 5 minutes. Open the hood, find the dipstick, pull it out and wipe it clean. Reinsert fully, remove again, and read the oil level between the low and full marks. If low, add small amounts of recommended oil and recheck. Warm the engine first, then let it sit for 5 minutes to allow oil to settle in the pan. Use a clean lint-free rag, a funnel, and the correct oil grade recommended by Mini. Have gloves and a flashlight handy to inspect for debris, foaming, or metal flakes. Know the correct full and low marks on your dipstick and measure with the car on level ground every time. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated on inspection runs with the Owala water bottle. It seals well and fits cup holders. I use it when checking oil or topping up coolant. It makes messy jobs cleaner and more pleasant. Check the description for the product link and other deals. They help the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start with the engine off and the car on level ground to get a true oil reading. Pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert fully, then remove to read the oil film and marks. Oil should sit between the low and full marks and have a clean amber color without grit. If oil is dark, frothy, or has metal bits, schedule service and avoid long trips. Check for leaks under the car after parking briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.